Hey guys, today we're going to be finishing the Grinch Air Jordan 1s. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Today we're going to be finishing the Jordans Air Jordan 1 Grinch edition. We got these right here. We got them all glued up on the bottom. They're pretty much ready to go. I got to just connect them both together, heat them up, throw them in the oven, smack them both together, hammer them on, they'll be all ready as well. We're going to be going with the top comment for my last video for the laces, so we're going to be finding that out as well. So let's start. So I'm going to be using this contact cement that I have, link in my description if you're interested. I got black as well as white midsole thread. I think I'm going to be going with white for this one. I'm just going to hand stitch that on, not too bad. But for right now, I got to finish gluing the rest of the bottom on. As you can see, I got some of the bottom glued. I got the bottom right here glued as well. So what I'm going to be doing is gluing each of the pieces together. I'm going to be gluing the upper of the Air Jordan. I'm going to be gluing the midsoles of the Jordan. I'm going to stick them together, then we'll come right back. So the sole is on. I'm going to be taking the laces off right now. But throughout this process, I found out that the fur I guess you would call it, just adds a lot more thickness on each side. So when going into the sole, it doesn't really fit as well. So it goes in perfectly, but like for when I take the last out, I think I'm just gonna like kind of shove it down a little bit more, make it fit a little bit better. But that being said, we got it all ready. We just got to pull this down. The last is sitting there. We got all the fur going there. So I'm going to grab the stand right now and I'm gonna place it right there. So we got our shoe on the stand now. You know the drill. We're gonna pop it just like that and slowly slide it off. Just take our time with it and we're gonna put this off to the side. Place that right there. Take this off. And we got ourselves a Grinch shoe. Grinch Jordan, Air Jordan 1. We got the Air Jordan all going right here. Next step, you already know, we got to stitch the sole on. I'm going to be going with a white mid sole stitch like that, So it's going to be nice and clean. You can see it's very simple, very clean. I'm also going to be getting the top comment that was on the last chat. Get the color correctly. We're going to be throwing that color on for you guys. But this is what it looks like. We got the second shoe already done. This is what it looks like with white laces, so you get the vibe, So we're gonna hand stitch the sole on, get that all ready, and then we'll do a full-on like review, and I could show you all about the shoe and what went into it. And just like that, the shoe is all stitched up. The midsole is now stitched onto the upper of the Jordan. As you can see, it's now a Grinch Air Jordan 1. It's looking pretty nice. Now what we gotta do is throw some laces on, so let's get to that. So boom, just like that, the laces are all in and it looks awesome. I might be rocking the red laces now that those are in compared to the white laces. I'm not too sure yet. The red laces though look very nice. I put the black laces in and they just didn't really go well with it. So we got the red laces as well as the white laces. The white laces are Jordan laces. These laces are just some oval laces that I had laying around. They're flat laces, but they aren't as thick as the Jordan laces. But that being said, they look really awesome. They're super clean. I really like how they turned out. Love the little puff going on up here, But this is what they look like for the most part. Jordan 1's Grinch edition. We got the fur on the inside. It's all furry up there. We got a nice toe box action going on right there. Pretty much everything is here. The next video I'll do like a full-on on-foot review, stuff like that. Kind of show you what the shoe looks like on foot, but for the most part, these are all finally finished. Thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, check out all my other videos. I got a little series going of these Jordans so you could watch it from start to finish. Also, if you're interested in making your own pair of shoes, go check out my online course. The link's down in the description, as well as all the links to the products that I use. Some of the products are on my website, so you can check that out, as well as all my customs. But thanks for watching, and go check out some of my other videos. But until then, see you later.